Hello, my name is Alex Shin, and welcome to my MAE 52 final project. I chose to model the Mars Curiosity rover based on my personal love for space exploration. I based my build on a 3D modeled version of the rover I got from NASA's 3D model archive. My build does vary somewhat with the reference model I used. Using this view drawing, I framed the rover and constructed 7 unique parts over the course of about 35 hours. Assembled, there are 12 parts total. I had a number of struggles with the project, but the most complex was individually extruding, surfacing, debossing, and using custom decals to add detail to the chassis. Some parts I was able to mirror, but not all. I also simulated the stress of the chassis here on the frame that connects it to the wheels. The movable areas of my build include the extending scope and drill, the 360 panoramic camera, and the all-terrain wheels. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed